cracking your neck might feel good in the moment, but it comes with some serious risks. First off, forcefully cracking your neck can strain ligaments and tendons, leading to pain and inflammation. And here's something you might not know. It can even damage the vertebral arteries that supply blood to your brain, increasing your risk of a stroke. That's right, what seems like a harmless habit could have life-altering consequences. Plus, repeatedly cracking your neck can create joint instability, making you more prone to injuries down the line. If you're dealing with neck pain or stiffness, don't take matters into your own hands. It's best to consult a healthcare professional who can help you find safe ways to relieve discomfort and improve your neck mobility. Your neck deserves better care than that.